Welcome to Solaz, a luxury collection resort in Los Cabos. After a year and a half of renovations, Solaz, a luxury collection resort, welcomed back guests beginning in January of 2023, and we have a lot in store for guests that are returning to our resort. Our resort spans 34 beachfront acres along the Sea of Cortez shoreline. We've made many enhancements to the resort, including the addition of 21 luxury suites, which brings our total guest room count to 145 rooms and suites. The resort's artists and butlers are ready to anticipate guests' needs and offer exclusive and dedicated 24-hour service. What's more is that they serve as guests' own guided storyteller and Baja expert. Every guest room offers access to the artisan butler service, no matter the room category. Your artisan is the local expert eager to design a Solaz experience that is yours to treasure. Now, Solaz sits on a swimmable beach, which is very unique in the area. We sit on over 1,300 feet of linear swimmable beach. We are conveniently located between San Jose del Cabo and Cabo San Lucas, about 15 minutes away from each town and just 35 minutes away from the airport. Within Solaz community, we have the Los Cabos Sports Center, which is the main host of the Los Cabos Open Tennis Tournament. We also have we are the first resort with a natural history and art museum in Mexico. We have 4 pillars that our resort stands upon here in Los Cabos, and one is art. We have more than 400 works of art by contemporary Mexican artist Cesar Lopez Negrete displayed throughout the property, and an on-site gallery showing regional artifacts such as ancient maps and a 43-foot skeleton of a gray whale. So art-loving guests will be mesmerized. Next, we have the architecture. So our resort is designed in contemporary Mexican style using warm indigenous woods and tones to provide a transformative immersion into the local environment while wrapping an infinite pool meets endless stretch of sand. So our unique architecture components and use of elements really showcase 2 different sides of the resort. You'll see one or get one feeling during the day, but it's a whole new experience at night when you can see this resort lit up so beautifully. The whole resort and design is truly a piece of art. Next is our landscaping. We have over 112 different species of endemic plants of the desert that compose a lush botanical garden here at Solaz. We do offer tours for landscaping that are complimentary. And we have plants here that even make a type of liquor that we use to make cocktails from it that's incorporated in our menu. So it's really a beautiful, lush area. Now, looking at our pools and seaside, we do have 3 Olympic-size infinity oceanfront pools with 2 swim-up bars. We have 2 pools for kids. And again, I mentioned we sit on over 1,300 feet of linear swimmable beach. Now, the restaurants and bars at Solaz are inspired by the richness that characterizes the Baja Peninsula. Delight your senses with gastronomic offerings that emerge from extraordinary ingredients, such as fresh products from the Sea of Cortez and local organic orchards, such as Migrino and Miraflores, pleasing the most refined palates. Highlighting a few of our restaurants, we have El Paro, which is a Mexican restaurant where guests can savor the vibrant flavors of Mexico's contemporary cuisine. We also have Maco, which is our grill, where we allow guests to immerse themselves in the flavors of the sea. We have exquisite seafood offerings here, where you can taste the fresh fish and shellfish expertly prepared to perfection. And then we have Riccio de Mare, our Italian restaurant where guests can experience the finest Italian cuisine amidst the stunning backdrop of Solaz. Another restaurant I wanted to highlight was Foresta. This is part of our Solaz's curated wellness heritage, which is a program by our spa, Ojo de Liebre. And this restaurant boasts a fully plant-based menu featuring a variety of nourishing, hydrating, and detoxifying smoothies or juices, as well as energizing bowls and fresh dishes made from locally sourced and sustainable vegetables. It's absolutely refreshing and delicious. Now, our spa, Ojo de Liebre Spa, is named after a lagoon in Baja. And the spa features the only thalassotherapy wellness spa in Baja with an exclusive cryotherapy chamber that allows you to enjoy the seawater and freshwater pools. We have 12 treatment rooms, hot and ice cold tubs, aromatherapy, and chromotherapy light showers. Offer an extensive menu of wellness, detox, and beauty treatments. Now, moving into our room inventory, we have a variety of room product here. We have oasis views, ocean views, plunge pool rooms, and then 1, 2, and 3 bedroom suites. We also have 2 wellness suites and 1 Villa Solaz, which is our 4-bedroom villa that I'm going to talk about. I'm going to scroll through so you can see some of the different room products that we have here, but we have 78 Oasis and Ocean View rooms. These are our standard room categories that are 700 square feet. And then we have 36 plunge pool rooms. So they're a little bit larger, 859 square feet. So you'll see the outdoor terrace here is extended and there is a plunge pool for guests to enjoy on their patio. And then we have 5 1-bedroom plunge pool suites and 3 2-bedroom plunge pool suites. And then we have 8 1-bedroom suites that you can see here that are just over 1,200 square feet. And then we have our 4-bedroom private villa. This is Villa Solaz. It features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a private entrance and private exit out to the pool and beach area. It's connected with a courtyard with an open air kitchen and dining area, multiple dining areas between indoor and outdoor, and there are curated food and beverage experiences that can be added into a booking with Villa Solaz. So you can see some of the beautiful images, both indoor and outdoor, of this unit. Now we have 2 wellness suites in our inventory as well. These are very unique, and I actually wanted to share some pictures that I took from my last trip to the hotel. One of the 2 wellness suites has a Himalayan salt room with a virtual meditation and heated chairs, as well as a chromotherapy shower. The patio has a spin bike and yoga mat. And then the other suite has a couples massage room and a sauna and steam room and chromotherapy shower within the room as well. And out on the patio, there's also a hot tub and your spin bike and yoga mat. So these are really unique suites that are really dedicated and live up to our 4th pillar at the resort, which is wellness. Now, in addition to our hotel's guest room and suites, we do have residential units. We currently have 5 residences in our inventory. Now, the residences are condo style units. They are beautifully large and spacious product. You'll see beautiful dining room, living room, large terraces, full kitchens, washer dryers, and of course, multiple bedroom configurations. So if you do have guests that are looking for a home-like experience, I highly recommend either our 4-bedroom Villa Solaz or one of our residential condo style units. Thank you.